Induced drag is also called drag due to lift because without lift it does not exist. So far we only looked at airflow straight from the front at 0 degrees angle of attack, but airplanes fly at different angles of attack. It varies with airspeed and loading. Any airplane has wings which create lift, which means there is low pressure on the wing upper surface and higher pressure on the wing lower surface. The difference in pressure has to equalize at the ends, and it does so in the form of vortices. Vortices consume a lot of energy, so the higher the angle of attack is and the larger the pressure difference is, the larger are the vortices and the higher is the induced drag.